So let's just talk about React Router. So React Router is basically used to handle navigation between different components in React application. Now suppose we have component A and component B. Now to navigate from component A to component B, we can use the router. So the router will handle navigation from one component to another without reloading the entire app. So in this routing from the component A to component B, the router will not reload the entire application. So in this video, we're gonna see how we can set up the React Router in our application. Now to use React Router in our application, we need to install React Router DOM. So here in the CMD, we have to write npm install React Router DOM. Now this command will install React Router in our application, and after that we have to wrap the entire app inside the browser router. So here we're gonna import browser router from React Router DOM, and then we're gonna use the browser router to wrap the entire application. So now the application has the routing capabilities, so we can perform routing in our application. So in the next video, we're gonna see how we can perform basic routing in React. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.